What is the application journey from concept to mass production? And how would it change if your 3D printer could scale with your production requirements? Introducing the world's most versatile polymer 3D printer, the INTEGRA P450. A mid-range platform bridging the gap from prototyping to serial production. Featuring innovative 8-zone heating, combined with a thermal camera for efficient production and consistent quality control and data capturing. Unprecedented material flexibility, up to 300 degrees Celsius. Industry 4.0 ready, seamlessly plugging into your digital workflows and smart manufacturing environment. And a future-proof modular design, extending the lifetime of your system as an open and upgradable platform. So start your journey today with the INTEGRA P450, a polymer 3D printer that grows with your manufacturing needs. For more information, visit INTEGRAP450.com.
Now, this machine comes with an 8-zone quartz heating system. Sounds pretty advanced. I understand that it ensures consistent and fast heating over the entire build platform. So Mike, can you explain us how that works and why is that so important?
Yes, a lot of heaters you've seen in the field with laser sintering have been pretty simplistic. There's not a lot of control over each section of the part bed. So what we tried to do is divide the part bed up where we had 8 different zones in our heater that could affect all the different regions of the part bed. That way we can get a nice thermal gradient of right around 2 degrees or less across the entire part bed. There's also some components on this, or some dials we can turn to really dial back the amount of wattage that we're putting out on our heaters. So we can cap the wattage when we're running the lower temp materials and everything else to make it where it doesn't overshoot too much, where it's really just a stable heating source that is uniform throughout the build. And when we go up to the higher temp materials, such as the HT23, we're able to up the output wattage of the system, and we can tune in the heaters to the material and save it as a profile. So if I'm running just regular nylon 12 at 175, 176, I can really tune that whole part bed into that material and save it as a profile. Then when I go up to the mid temp up to the 300 degrees C, we can do the same thing. But when we do this, we're able to just save it as a profile and we don't have to retune it on every build. So this was a feature that we really wanted to put in that allows customers to run multiple materials in their system without having to restart every time from scratch.
That's perfect. Now, it definitely sounds like it's a very advanced tool with a lot of parameters to adjust. But if someone is not such an expert in the technology like the two of you, are there also some predefined settings which they can then just load and run?
Yes, there will be predefined settings for different materials as we release them. It's also one of the things we'll do with customers. If they have a specific material they really want to run, then Mohit and team of Additive Minds will work together with them to help dial in the process for that particular material. Because you know, we know, they know that it's not just the part bed temperature, but it's the coupling of the part bed temperature, the wavelength of the heaters, the laser power that's put into the system, the layer thicknesses, and the scan strategies. So there's a lot more to it when it comes down to actually processing through the system. But with our team of service and team of application engineers, we're here to help you dial in the material for your needs. So it's really a good tool right now, even in the manual mode, the way we use it, to get a good idea of your part bed heat consistency.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up. And if you'd like to have further information about educational content or other webinars from EOS, just click the links in the description box below. We hope to see you soon in one of our next videos. Until then, go and subscribe our channel. Bye!